guys, I'm Ruben from My Maker's Journey. I just wanted to talk about this real quick. So a quick story. My daughter gave me a bunch of these pieces in a box. She had gotten frustrated with it. She wasn't happy with the glue ups or anything. So I kind of took what she had and came up with my own theme and things like that for the War Machine, or the AKA Iron Patriot. And that's that, you know, helmet design, that whole suit design. But one of the, I am new at the 3D printing thing, so, but my daughter has one. I'm thinking about picking one up here soon. She's got the Enders 3 Pro or something like that, but she has made a lot of stuff. If you're interested in some of this 3D printed stuff, leave a comment and maybe I can start doing some, you know, some 3D printed stuff. But she also made for me the old Star Trek communicator, and she also made a, from Star Wars, the thermal detonator that Leia is holding in Return of the Jedi. So, again, I'm just going to show you my process. This is not a make video. This is more or less just stills and some short video clips and things like that. But, and I kind of wished I had recorded the entire thing, but I didn't. I just took video with clips and some screenshots of just the progress. So, but I am more or less just sharing. But please like and subscribe, and let's get on with the short video. Can you see out of it? Hold on. You can see good now, right? Yeah, let me go. Don't follow me. Yeah. I just want to see how it fits. Man, it fits pretty good on her head. Make me want to do a whole Iron Man costume.